Hey everyone, if you are facing difficulties recovering your Snapchat account, here are a few steps you can take. If you can't remember your phone number or email, follow these methods. Recovery code. If you created a Snapchat recovery code, try logging in using it. Enter your username and password, and if prompted, use the recovery code. This is a straightforward way if you have it set up. Contact Snapchat support. Visit support.snapchat.com. Choose I forgot my password or I can't verify my email or phone number. Read the information provided and click no, this information wasn't helpful. Click yes when asked if you need help with something else. Enter your username, email and phone number associated with your account. In the description, explain that you are having trouble accessing your account and provide any relevant details. Click send to submit the information. Snapchat support will review your request, and if they can verify your identity, they may assist you in recovering your account. Remember, for security reasons, Snapchat won't grant access to just anyone. Make sure to provide accurate information and cooperate with their process. If you find this helpful, please like and subscribe. If you have further questions, drop them in the comments. Thank you and see you in the next video.